All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. As you can see, you're looking at the breaker panel for my house. This is the main panel. This is the sub panel that we just recently added. Reason for is for one of those guys, plus my GPU mining rig. We went ahead and added another meter socket outside. So we have 2 meter sockets here and obviously a main panel, sub panel. And as you can see here, we got it filled up a little bit. So we added a 100 amp service, and I'm running off some other appliances in the house and my spare bedroom that I have my GPU mining rig set up for. So what this will do is the power company that we have, we pay 9.6 cents per kilowatt. And with adding this second panel and a meter, whatever runs through this panel, which can be anything, they will knock the kilowatt down to 5.76 cents per kilowatt. It's around a 40% savings. The only downside with this is you give him the right to turn it off during high peak usage time, regardless if it's possibly a really cold snap in the winter or a really hot snap in the summer. Other than that, they keep it on during holidays and weekends. So far, everything's been working good, which is nice because it saves me electricity on this guy. So other than paying the 9.6 cents, we're paying the 5.76 cents per kilowatt, just like my GPU mining rig and also my washer dryer hot water heater. So just thought I would share that. And here's just a little look of my meters. The one on the right was my newer one. So, but anyway, then we added a receptacle below here so I can hook up obviously this, or if I want to run like a vacuum, something that takes a little bit of energy and I want to save a few cents or whatnot. But other than that, we might add another receptacle or two, just so we can save on whatever we have plugged in. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. And as you can see, I just got the Ethernet cable going up the wall there and across the attic and down to my switch. So thanks for watching.